In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline to Wix 2026 guide. A timeline is a simple visual way to present project phases, major milestones, or your company's history. And Wix makes it easy through apps you can install right inside the editor. I'll walk you through finding the right timeline app, adding it to your site, and tailoring it so it looks and feels like part of your brand. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click the App Market icon to open the marketplace where you can browse add-ons that extend your site's functionality. This is where you'll find timeline tools created by trusted third-party developers. In the App Market's search bar at the top, type the word timeline. You'll see a variety of timeline apps appear, each offering different styles and customization options. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to choose yet. The next step is all about previewing and comparing what each app can do. Click an app to open its details page. Here you can preview layouts and see whether it supports vertical or horizontal timelines, how it displays dates, images, and descriptions, and whether it offers smooth animations. Take a moment to explore the features section to confirm you have the styling controls you need, like fonts, colors, icons, and spacing. Check user reviews and ratings to gauge reliability, and look closely at the pricing information so you know what's included for free and what requires a premium upgrade. Choosing an app that matches both your design goals and your budget will save you time later. Once you've made your choice, click Add to Site. The installation only takes a moment, and the timeline element will appear on your current page. You can reposition it to the section where you want it to live, so place it where it naturally supports your content. Now customize your timeline. Click the timeline on your canvas and select Settings to open the control panel. Under Content, add your events with clear titles, accurate dates, and concise descriptions. Keep entries consistent in tone and length so the timeline reads smoothly. Under Design, adjust fonts, colors, icons, and spacing to match your site's branding. Aim for strong contrast and readable text sizes to keep things accessible. Under Layout, switch between vertical, horizontal, or compact views to find the best fit for your page. As a rule of thumb, vertical works well for longer histories, horizontal is great for a handful of milestones, and compact fits neatly into sidebars or narrow sections. That's it. You've added a timeline to your Wix site, previewed it, and customized it to look professional and on brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.